good people. So it's the same night. It is currently, wait, what time is it? 10:28. I was trying to see if that stove was right. But we just got back. We walked to Whole Foods because it's in walking distance from our hotel. And we just got a few things because as y'all already seen in the vlog earlier of the room tour, it has like a little kitchenette. So we're about to make some pasta and peas with lamb chops, and I think that's it, just for dinner tonight because I'm starving. I'm pretty sure he's starving too. So I'm about to show y'all real quick a little grocery tour what we got from Whole Foods. Whole Foods lit. Okay, so as you can see, got body armors. I brought those. We got me some yogurt for the morning, some turkey sausage because we don't eat pork around here. Some fruit, hella fruit because I can eat fruit. Morning, lunch, dinner, eggs. I don't really eat those, but we're gonna start trying to eat those. Some cranberry juice. Best kind, some milk, all that good stuff. That's some tacos from earlier. And then, as you can see, we have some lamb chops, lamb rib chops, some sweet peas for the pasta, vegan butter, fettuccine noodles. We brought our own pots and pans, but they did come with pots and plates and stuff, but we got our own plates and stuff from Whole Foods. But these are all the seasonings. I'm not gonna be cooking the meat. My boo think it, so yeah, we'll see y'all when everything is done. If only y'all could smell the smell that I'm smelling right now. It's about to be so good.
I know just the place.
If y'all know this show, comment down below. Don't play with him. He is not one of them. Okay, that's cranberry juice. But you know, of course, you got him a little beer. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all see the presentation? I'm about to eat like kings and queens because that's just what we are. So we're about to enjoy our meal. I think this is the end of tonight. I'll see y'all in the morning for my birthday. It's actually 11:44. So you know, birthday in less than 30 minutes. Wonderful chapter begins. So grateful. So grateful. So I'll see y'all in the morning though. Love y'all. Okay, y'all, it's the next day. And this is what we're looking like. My hair is cute. My makeup's cute. My dress is even cuter. And I guess I can show y'all. Look. It's a little bean in there. Yes, 24th birthday, new chapter of new blessings and new beginnings, and I'm extremely happy. But right now we're about to leave, and I know I didn't film none of me getting ready because we're kind of in a rush. So I'll see y'all on today's festivities. Tell me happy birthday in the comments, and I'll like and respond to y'all. Bye. Y'all can't see my man, but clearly we're back at the room. The food was great. We went to, what is it called? Canoe. And it was really, really good. But I had fell asleep on the way there, so I didn't get a chance to record anything because it slipped my mind. But of course, by me being preggers, I'm still hungry. So we plan to go to my spot. Where we going, babe? JR Crickets. If you ain't been to Atlanta, whenever you come next time, or whenever you come, go to JR Crickets. Best wings, best blue cheese ranch, all that in the city. Just period. So, oh, my eyes are messing with me. But we're gonna go there after we finish resting and chilling here. We had to use the bathroom so bad. And I don't like using public restrooms. Never have. Never did. So. Oof, my eye. So we'll see y'all later.
Hey y'all, so as you can see, I didn't get a chance to close out the end of this vlog, but all we did was finishing up at JR Crickets, went back to the hotel, and went to sleep. Since I'm pregnant, it's not really much I can do anymore. But as you can see, this is the next day. We went to varsity, ate some good food, and we headed back home. I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for more. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video.